So the process of doing these photos is that, first of all, I have to put them in the Lightroom and I create two photos. The one you see there, and then one that's going to go inside it. See if I can find that one. So this will be the one that's inside. I have to make this photo larger than a 6x6 square of mat board I'm going to cut out, because that way I can make sure that the edges are clean. So this photograph is only, I don't know, 1/16 of an inch bigger than the mat board. I turn it over, I trim the mat board to the photo after I have glued the photo onto the mat board with 3 of these squares. So it's like this, and then I'm going to cut it into the mat board exactly 1 inch all the way around. So now I've cut out that mat, and what that creates is a cutout of this, which is perfectly fitting in there. Okay. Here we have the mat board cut with the photo out of the center, and this fits perfectly in this position here, like so. And then we're going to bring this flap up. Next, I'm going to create a hinge on this insert by placing 2 pieces of hinge tape on here, like so, so that we have a window. Now, it's not perfect yet. Next step, I place tape double on for this photo to go on here, and for these edges to be adhered. I will remove these ones first so I can put this down, and I will remove these ones last to put this in here. I have to be careful to make sure that this edge here is done first. You roll it down slowly and press this way. So it's now part of that. Now, next, before I can even put this in here, I have to trim this edge just by a hair. The reason for that is because this edge here, if the door opens, it creates a resistance. So there has to be a little bit of a relief by cutting this tiny edge off of here. This might be kind of hard to see, but there's a tiny little line across here. You have to really work these edges in so that they're perfect before you can do the next step. So I take a heavy object and put it on this edge here so that I can push down on it and pick up this edge, or move this part here so that edge goes right on there. And then we have to roll it around, pick this edge up, put your can here, or a weight to remove these. All 4 of them. 3 of them, sorry. And let this flap down into the recess. And now we have a door that opens and closes with just a little tiny of a reveal along here. I see I have I have another reveal on this edge here, which I'm going to have to cut out gently with a knife. So you can see now I removed that edge, but there's a white edge along here, and it's not perfect, but you don't have to worry about it as long as the door opens cleanly. Now, taking the same situation with the mat board cutter, we create lines on the photograph that's going to go at the back quickly so that we can be able to put the photo that's going to go behind easily. So we have the photo like this, and the one that's going to go behind this one here, you position it correctly in the window. So once the photo's been positioned properly, you can see how this works. And the photo that's behind is going to be cropped with a knife to the edge, but also important is that these are kind of equal in the frame of the crosses. And once they're there, you can just put them on with Scotch tape. Here's the photo behind after it's been adhered with Scotch tape. And the last thing we're going to do is we're going to adhere the back photo to the front photo. And before I do that, I'm going to cut that white edge out of there. So now you have the photograph on the front here, the way you want it. You have to be careful that all the orientations are correct. And the same with the orientation of the photograph on the back. Once you get all those things correct, you can turn everything over. Make sure that the orientation of the photograph is right. And then you put your can on the top here and put the photo corners, these ones, 3 across the top. These in place to glue the back to everything. And you just have to remove these. And make sure that you everything in place and push things down, forward and out. There's a door. I see I have a little problem here. I have to cut that out. And I'm going to trim the edges now. Okay, now we have it all trimmed up. Door opens easily. Trimmed up in the back. A little bit of a edge here. A lot of times you can just clean that up with an eraser. But otherwise, it looks good. Then all I have to do is put the little doorknob on, and we're done.